Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into how a Java program works in a computer, step by step. We'll use this flowchart to guide us from writing code to seeing the output. Let's get started. First, we write our Java code in a file, like hello-world.java. This is where you tell the computer what to do, like printing hello world. Think of it as creating a set of instructions. Next, the Java compiler takes the .java file and turns it into something called bytecode. This becomes a class file, like hello-world.class. Bytecode is special because it's not tied to any specific computer, it's universal. Here's the bytecode, our compiled instructions in hello-world.class. It's ready to run, but it needs the Java Virtual Machine, or JVM, to make it happen. Let's see how the JVM works. The JVM is like a mini computer inside your computer. It takes the bytecode and runs it, no matter if you're on Windows, Mac, or Linux. It's got three main parts: the class loader, runtime data areas, and execution engine. Inside the JVM, the class loader grabs the class file, checks it's valid, and loads it into memory. It's like a librarian pulling a book off the shelf for you. Then, the runtime data areas manage memory. This is where the JVM stores things like the code structure, objects, and the steps it's working on, like a big filing cabinet. Now, the execution engine takes over. It's got three workers. The interpreter reads the bytecode line by line and runs it. The JIT compiler speeds things up by turning bytecode into machine code for repeated tasks. The garbage collector cleans up memory by tossing out stuff we don't need anymore.
Finally, the execution engine finishes, and we get our output, like "Hello World" on the screen. This is the moment your code comes to life. One last cool thing, the JVM makes Java platform independent. That same .class file runs anywhere with a JVM, Windows, Mac, Linux, no changes needed. Pretty awesome, right? That's the journey of a Java program. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more coding breakdowns. See you next time.